Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is eseoghenedavisin. Today in this video, I'll be explaining what a computer science is all about. Today this morning I couldn't upload it because I was very busy because of PVC registrations and other like personal voters card. For them that wants to vote for the election of the presidential candidate. So here I'm making a video for the explanation for today, but I'm not sure if I will upload it on today or tomorrow because I did not have chance. So the time was delayed, so I had to make a new video before I upload, or if I upload on tomorrow. It's more safe. So I know most of you if you will give me any kind of topic that I would choose, either like computer science, science and technology, then other topics like programming language. I know say most of you will ask me any topic, any topic I will explain, either like computer engineering and software engineering, software technical, then the internet, the word processing, and all that. So without wasting much of our time, then let me start explaining what is computer science is. A computer science is defined as the study of computers and the computational systems that deals with mostly with software and the software systems, theoretical disciplines to practical disciplines. The most important aspect of computer science is problem solving. I know say that the most important of a computer science is the problem solving, or solving problem with an essential skill for life, like in order to solve mathematics with your laptop or computer. Because most of people study the design with the development analysis between the software and the hardware. Then we have types of computer science, which are computer engineering, computer science, information technology, and software engineering, or either I would say software and technology. So the first one is a computer engineering. It is defined as a field of study branch of electrical engineering that integrates several fields of a computer science and the electronic engineering, in which is required to develop software and hardware. Then number two, which is computer science. I've already done that. No, I've already define it. So let's shift it to number three, which is information technology. It is defined as the study or the use of systems, which is most especially computers and telecommunication, for storing, retrieving, and sending information from one thing to another. Then to another, like information and the communication technology. Then number four, which is software engineering. It is defined as a systematic engineering that approach to software development. Then the definition, then the difference. Let's take look at it at what's the difference between the software technology and the software engineer. A software technology is defined as a general term which covers the development methods with programming languages and tools to support them that may be used in development of software. The wireless software engineers is the branch of computer science that deals with the design, the development, testing, and maintenance of the software applications. Examples of computer science. The principal areas of study within computer science include artificial intelligence, and that's the number one example of a computer science. Then number two, we have computer systems, and number three, we have networks and security, for network administrator. Number 5 and 6, which is the database. Then human computer interaction. Then number 7 is a vision and graphics. Then number 8, the numerical analysis, and which is number 9 is a programming languages and the theoretical computer. And number 10 we also had social networking. Then number 11 is media streaming. Then 12 is a security, and 13 a computer games. 14 and 15 is office application and online shopping. Then those are the examples of this that the computer science brought them, that many people are very familiar with, and that's all for the topic for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Don't hesitate. We all know that I can help you do many things for computer, for such as the computer and no matter of that. So all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel so that you support me, and I want this video to go on the viral. So if you have watched this video, please make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, share and then click on the notification bell icon to get a new notification on a new video if I release it. Share this video to your friends and family. Share to anywhere, and share it around you. Share this video to spread all around the world. I know that. So thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.